ICE in the workplace. Typically, workplaces either have a public and private area or just a private space for authorized employees. Public space in workplaces are places that the general public have permission to access, such as the dining area of a restaurant, the general floor of a convenience store, and anywhere that customers are present. The private space of a workplace is anywhere that only employees can access, such as a factory, a kitchen, the storage area of a store, and private buildings. The workplace as a private space. You have more rights in private spaces because law enforcement cannot legally enter a private space without the owner's permission or a court-ordered judicial warrant. A judicial warrant needs to have U.S. District Courts on the heading, the correct name and address of the business they are looking for, a signature and a raised judicial seal that you can seal with your fingers. But most of the time, ICE does not use any warrant. Officers will often lie and use intimidation to try to get access into the workplace, including threatening to break down property or alleging that the only way you won't get deported is if you cooperate. In workplace raids, officers often pin workers against each other. Officers have been known to tell people they need their help in a criminal investigation in order to gain access. Officers will lie and say they have the warrant in their car or that they do not need a warrant. However, if they do bring a warrant, most of the time ICE has been using an administrative warrant. This is not a valid warrant. What to do to prepare just in case of immigration presence in the workplace. Have a sign that says employees only or private in areas that the public is not allowed to access. If possible, have locks available on the areas that are only for employees. Have a plan. People who are citizens or least vulnerable to ICE arrest should be tasked with speaking to ICE only to ask about warrants if they come to the workplace. Someone should be tasked with locking employees only area. That way ICE can physically not enter those areas without the permission of the owner. Someone should be tasked with relaying information to non-English speakers as well. No one, citizens or not, should give ICE information about themselves or others in the workplace, as this makes your colleagues more vulnerable. Make a note of all the exits. Do not carry any false documents to your place of work. If ICE does come to your workplace, lock areas that are employees only. If you are not the owner, you can say, I am not the owner. I cannot give you permission to enter. You can offer to take down the officer's information and relay it to the owner. Do not give consent to searches of your property or person. Do not sign anything. If possible, record the raid on your phone or security cameras. Please take a photo or keep this in easy reach. Free videos, legal documents, and resources for Long Island are being made available at this website, http://prepareforice.org/English. If you are worried about ICE action and need help, call 516-387-2043.